Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a working stable diffusion UI, GPU drivers, and the realistic vision checkpoint file. Install or update automatic 1111, then drop the CKPT or SAFA tensors into the models folder. Once done, launch the UI and select the realistic vision model from the drop-down so you're ready to generate. Make sure to set 1/2 precision if VRAM is tight, and enable a sampler like Euler or DPM++ to now refine prompts and model parameters to steer realism. Start with a focused positive prompt including camera lens, lighting, and descriptive adjectives, then add a short negative prompt to remove common artifacts. Once you have that, set CFG scale between 6 and 12 and steps from 20 to 50 depending on detail needs. Make sure to pick a stable sampler and lock or randomize seed for variation. Also adjust image dimensions, enable face restoration when people appear, and test 2-3 variations. You finish by post-processing and troubleshooting to reach final realism. Upscale with the built-in upscaler or run gfpgan/code former for faces, then perform subtle color grading to match mood. If outputs show artifacts or anatomy issues, lower CFG scale, raise steps, switch samplers, or test a different realistic vision variant. Rerun a few seeds to isolate causes. Make sure to save working seeds and settings so you can reproduce results, and iterate only one variable at a time for reliable improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.